Today I will tell you about some chemicals in food and about the infertility drugs. The drugs which are used to check pregnancy are known by the name of anti-fertility drugs. They mostly contain female sex hormones too. These drugs are mainly contained to curb the two hormones, that is progesterone and estrogen. These are novestrol and that of a northiridone. These are given to check pregnancy. Now there are large number of chemicals added in food to provide supplements, to provide good appearance, to provide good taste. These are food colors, flavorers and sweeteners, fat emulsifiers, stabilizers, flour improver, antioxidants, preservatives and nutritive supplement. Nutritive supplements are the only chemicals which are added to increase the shelf life of food. Antioxidants are those substances which prevent oxidation of food. You have read about antioxidants in class 10. These are used for chips, bakery products, etc. The two substances, that is butylated hydroxytaurine, known by the name of DHT, and butylated hydroxyaniline. These are used as antioxidants. Now there are artificial sweetening agents. Fructose and sucrose are the natural sweetener. They add calories and they promote tooth decay. Just to prevent calories and to prevent tooth decay, artificial sweeteners are used. These are of large size. First one is saccharine. It is orthosulfobenzimide. It's sodium salt. It is insoluble. Its sodium salt is soluble, so that is used as a artificial sweetening agent. Its sweetness is 550 times to that of a natural sucrose. It is mostly given to the diabetic patients and this does not dissolve in body. It only excretes through urine. The next one is aspartame. It is a methyl ester of dipeptides. It is made from phenylalanine and that of a aspartic acid. But it becomes unstable at higher temperature. It is used in the soft drinks and in the cold food. The next one is a erythritol. Its sweetness is difficult to control. It is 2000 times sweeter than that of a natural sucrose. It is stable at a higher temperature and its sweetness, but it is difficult to control. Then there is a sucralose. It is a trichloro derivative of sucrose. Its sweetness is 600 times to that of a sucrose and most commonly it is used. Now there are preservatives: sugar, salt, oil, sodium benzoate, potassium metabisulfite. These are known by the name of, these are used in the form of a preservative. Sugar, salt, you have seen. Sugar is used in jams, jellies. Oil is used in pickles. Similarly, a particular amount of salt is used in pickles. Now there are two chemicals. One is known by the name of sodium benzoate. In all the colorless fruits, squashes, etc., sodium benzoate is used. Potassium metabisulfite is used in jams, jellies, etc. It gives sulfur dioxide, which is lethal for microorganisms, but it does not affect in low concentration human body. Go through notes, read this chapter and prepare.